My name's Jason. For the past 8 years, I've been driving a '74 Volkswagen Super Beetle. The car is many things to me. My hobby, my favorite car to drive. But more than that, it's a member of my family. She was purchased new in San Jose, California by my wife's grandpa Harry. She's always stayed in the family. Almost every major life event revolves around this car. It's the car my wife was brought home in when she was born. It's the car she learned to drive in. When we took ownership, her age and miles were starting to take over. With the help of books, online forums, and videos, we've tackled major mechanical and cosmetic issues. Without the VW community, though, I wouldn't have gotten too far. Looks pretty good, but she's far from done, and still leaks oil. When it came time to bring my own daughter home, no other car would do. Grandpa Harry sadly passed away a few years ago, but before he did, he came by to visit, and I'm glad he got to see the car one last time. In the past few years, we've started doing car shows. Turns out, a lot of other people are just as crazy as me. Life is often madness, but being able to work on and drive this car keeps me grounded. Life is good, and just recently, it got even better.